Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Okay, this is a strange one. Today we're going to take a look at Arlo's Beard Oil Pro Growth Castor. This was an item that kept popping up in my suggested items on Amazon. You know, I get a mix of like knives, survival gear, and beard oil. So I keep looking at this and I keep looking at the price and I go, could it be that bad? I mean, seriously, it has a very, very low price point for about 2.5 ounces. Comes in a neat little plastic container with a sriracha top. Thought that was kind of cool. And yes, I haven't used a lot. I didn't need to when I tested it. I'll let you know in a moment. All right. So I go out there and I go looking into this company. Now you can find them at www.originalarlos.com. You're not going to find squat about that company info on originalarlos.com. Now they say it's made in the USA by Fisk Industries out of Orange Bay, New York. Alright, let's play. So if you guys are half the idiot that I am, you start going down little rabbit holes and you type in Fisk Industries into Google. And you get, what is this, what is that, who's this, who's that. One of the primary things that pops up is Fisk Industries is owned by Stephen and Claudia Adler? Whatever, but owned by Stephen and Claudia, okay? So they are a manufacturer of high-performing personal care and beauty products. Now, per LinkedIn, Fisk Industries has 11 to 50 employees, and they were founded in 1972. But you also find a listing for fiskgroup.com. Okay? They have lots of products, lots of brands, and fiskgroup.com is powered by Shopify. So, I'm gonna let you make up your mind, because there's a lot of stuff on here, as you can see there, in French, even though right here it says made in the USA right on the box. It also says right up here distributed by Fisk Industries. So when I see that, instantly I start thinking to myself, co-packer, third party, whatever. Okay, no big deal if you're honest about it and the product doesn't cause bodily damage to the person using it. I personally don't care. I care when somebody goes, I hand make everything, and then I find out you're lying. That's a problem. But putting all this aside, the other issue that I have is pro-growth. Look, let's get honest. Genetics, diet, and those are the two biggest contributors to your hair growth. If you can't grow, you can't grow. And there's nothing on this planet that's going to make you grow. You can take all the supplements in the world to feed a healthy beard, but if you can't grow it, you can't grow it. Okay? You can take biotin all day. You're going to have great skin, long frickin' fingernails, but you're not going to have a beard. All right? So that's my other thing about promoting pro-growth. Water is pro-growth. Vitamins are pro-growth. A healthy diet is pro-growth. Exercise, pro-growth. Good testosterone level in guys, pro-growth. Do you see where I'm going here? Okay? Now, before we get into the ingredients in this guy, and there are a lot of them, all right? So like I said, I found that on Amazon. Seriously. $6.40. Wait a minute. $6.29. I'm sorry. It is Prime 1-day eligible. Now, here's my other problem with Amazon. Arlo's has a lot of products. What Amazon loves to do is grab all those products and lump them under one review system. So I have a really hard time believing that this has 1,054 reviews for the Castor. There are other ones, but they primarily call this one the Castor because it's really Castor heavy, all right? And it's got a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. On Original Arlo's, it's $5.95. One review for a 5 out of 5 stars saying it's the greatest beard oil ever. And on fiskgroup.com, $6.40 with 0 reviews. Now, forgive me a moment, you're going to have to look at this thing because there is a lot of ingredients. Primarily the back of that label is the ingredients, okay? Soybean oil, canola oil, fragrance, which is the third, and I'll get there in a moment because it has a weird smell to me. This is what I picked up on it. I don't know, other people may have got something different, all right? So like I said, fragrance is the third, castor seed oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, olive leaf extract, cucumber seed extract, sorry, my writing with the Sharpie, grapefruit peel extract, rosa canola fruit extract, eucalyptus leaf extract, Hyperion perforation flower leaf stem extract, willow bark extract, and BHT. BHT is just a preservative, okay? There's the fruit stuff in there that you really want to preserve because it will go bad, rancid, all that other wonderful stuff. How to find out about that? Well, I went looking for, videos, and I found one from our trusted teacher, so I watched his. And that's how I learned. I think I see like 3. You've got the really experienced one with the trusted teacher. You have one from a dude going, this is the greatest beard oil ever. It is the most luscious thing I've ever put in my incredible beard. But you can never see his beard. You just see his hands moving. I get a lot of cucumber out of this. Seriously. I used it for 4 days and I went, okay, I'm done. Is it good? No. Is it bad? No. It's meh. I put this in the same category like I do Cremo, or Cremo, however you want to say it. Meh. It's not going to kill your beard. It's not going to give you the greatest beard ever. But in a pinch, like if you find it in a big box store, or you do a drunken one night surfing on Amazon, guilty. It's not going to destroy you. And if you run out of good stuff, you go to this. Okay? That's why I said that fragrance being third, I don't know what they put in here because I got a lot of cucumber. That's really what I got, is like when you slice that cucumber for the first time, that fresh smell you get, that's what I got. It did not make my beard feel greasy. There wasn't an abundance left in my hands when I was done. Like, I honestly expected this thing to be like cooking oil, for lack of a better phrase, where you just keep getting it in your beard. You can't get it out of your hands. You can't get it out of your beard. And you have that big little ring, stain right down there that we've all gone through when we first started by using too much product. But would I recommend it? In a pinch, you'll be fine. Long-term use, go find you a better small batch company. I've got lots of reviews on my channel. There are some other amazing reviewers out there like Dan C. Bearded, like I've mentioned. You also have Jersey Joe. Go look up his channel. Those are just 2 right there. You also have other people, which I can't believe I'm going to mention, but go look up Official Beard Code. He's like a little brother nobody wants. Gotcha, Code. But no, so, like I said, meh. Not great, not bad, just meh. Here comes the fun part. I know I'm going to get killed with this, but still. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Have you used Arlo's before? Are you currently using it? Have you had successes? Have you had failures with it? I'd like to know in the comments. Like I said, meh. Now, if at any point during this video I made you laugh, made you cry, made you cringe, made you do anything, please hit that big old thumbs up. Seriously, it's going to help trigger that algorithm and get this insanity out there to other people. We're growing, and I'd like to keep growing, please. Well, I'm old, so this is what I have left, right? My YouTube channel. Don't tell my kids. They might get mad, but don't tell my kids. Okay, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks so much for putting up with me for this long. Seriously, it really means the world to me that you chose this video and you're here on the channel. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can implement that into future videos. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing, and it's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've done that, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Seriously, it looks like a little bell. Why? That's a great question. Because that is going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love... What the heck? Okay, sorry. I've got the news on, and they're talking about waiting for a verdict in the Kyle Rittenhouse trial, so I didn't even know that the jury was back. But still, so like I said, we're going to have 2 videos popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. Sorry for that little sidebar. But guys, thank you so much for watching this weird one. Arlo's Beard Oil Pro Growth Castor. Hope all of you are having a great day. Hope all of you are having a wonderful day. And we'll see y'all in our very next video.